Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you a 2003 Volkswagen Jetta fuel pump. There's the pump, there's the sending unit. Now, I'm showing you this because a lot of people make this mistake. Now, it goes like this, right? I'm not going to totally assemble it, but it goes like this, okay? And this bolts on with 4 bolts, just like that. That's a 2003, a 99 to an 03. Now this is an 04 to an 05. Now if you end up buying this, if your fuel pump goes in your 04 to 05 and you buy this one for 30 bucks on eBay, all you have to do is disconnect the yellow and the black from here, right there. Well, right there, it's the black, and here's the yellow on this side. Disconnect them, take them right out. Okay, try to leave the prongs, because all it is this. So you disassemble this one, take your pump out. That's my old pump. And then you install it with this connector. Stays on. All you do is from your old pump for your car, disconnect the yellow and the black, put the new pump in, hook the yellow and the black, because this will stay on here, which is for your float. And once you get that done, you're going to have to take this little piton. It's going to be a hole on that one, which is for the 93. You cut that off, file the rough edges down, and you glue it. And then you take this hose that was originally on it and you stick it on. Mine's still drying, but you stick it on like that, and it looks like that. Just loops over. And then once you get it in, because to take it out, you just turn. Okay? And then you rehook up your return hose, and you're in. Just rehook them. Plug it in, start your car, and you're good to go without having to spend, because this one right here, local, is about $400. 400 bucks. This one right here, that goes like this, for the 93. Online, it's about 30 bucks. Local, it's about 100. Online, it's about 150. Local, it's 300 to 700. If this works or you need more information, let me know.